Welcome in, everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over one question. You, yes you, have been offered the job of your dreams and simply cannot turn this opportunity down. To work at your dream job, however, you have to either move to the Gates of Hades, which I have listed here, or the community of Bipolaria. Below are the low temperatures for the last 21 days for the Gates of Hades. Now, I also have a list for the high temperatures for the Gates of Hades and a list of 21 temperatures, both the lows and the highs, for Bipolaria. But we're just going to concentrate on this list here. And what we're asked to do is find the 5-number summary and the standard deviation. I guess in this case, it should actually be S, not sigma. I digress. We're going to use technology. In fact, I'm going to use a TI grapher for this information, and you can too if you have one. You can hit Stat Enter to enter the lists into your TI grapher. And once you have the information in the grapher, you will hit the buttons Stat, the right arrow, and then Enter to bring up OneVer stats. Just make sure when you're using OneVer stats, the list you're using matches the list where you put your information. So when you use OneVer stats, you'll see that the SX, which is the sample standard deviation, because I'll tell you, the community of Gates of Hades has lasted longer than 21 days, existed more than 21 days. This is just a sample. So the sample standard deviation here is 2.97689, 2.96895. Yeah, we'll just round this to the nearest hundredth. So we can say 2.98. And in fact, this has a unit, 2.98 degrees. I'm going to assume this is Fahrenheit. Cool. So for the 5-number summary then, you can just scroll down on your OneVer stats and find the following. There you go. For super extra clarification, this is the minimum, this is Q1, this is the median, or otherwise sometimes known as Q2. This is Q3, and this is the maximum. Now this is just for the low temperatures for the Gates of Hades for the last 21 days. So even though you don't have the information in this video, the sample standard deviation for the Gates of Hades high temperatures is 3.43 degrees, and here's the 5-number summary. And you can see that information for both the low temperatures recorded for Bipolaria and the high temperatures recorded for Bipolaria in those last 21 days. One question that comes to mind would be, what reasons might someone choose to move to the Gates of Hades community? And the only thing I can think of is the weather is more consistent, or the temperatures are more consistent. And honestly, like more real world, you would only need to own one set of clothing. You could just own summer clothing. That's it. Whereas if you went to live at Bipolaria, you would need to own not only summer clothing, because those temperatures do get hot, but you would also need to have winter clothing as well, because those temperatures get a lot colder. I honestly don't know why someone would want to move to Bipolaria. I hope this video helps you out. Good luck.